Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you are interested in the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today is time for the 4th lesson about arpeggios. I've already explained how to play the C major arpeggio, G major and D major. Today it's time for A major arpeggio. I invite you to watch the 3 previous videos, especially the first one, where I explain how to build up the arpeggios, which ones are the notes of the scale that we need to build up the arpeggios, and the principle that applies to play the arpeggios very well. It's all about learning how to move the thumb, how to apply the thumb passage, and how to cross over the thumb on both sides, left and right hand. Just quickly, the notes that are needed for the arpeggios are the 1st, the 3rd and the 5th of the scale, and the fingers that are needed are in the right hand. For the ones starting from a white key are 1, 2, 3, 5 to end if you play to end the ascending direction if you play just 1 octave, 1, 2, 3 thumb passage, and again 1, 2, 3 and 5 if you play 2 octaves or more. On the other side, on the left side, we use 5, 4 or 3, depending on the cases that I've already explained, and I anyways repeat every single lesson. 2nd, for the 3rd note, and thumb, either if you play just 1 octave going again down, or if you have to cross over the thumb to play 2 octaves or even more. Let's dive into the lesson. For the A major we need, obviously, A, C sharp and E. Why? Because the A major scale is this. And we said that we need the 1st, the 3rd and the 5th note. 1st, skip the 2nd, 3rd, skip the 4th, 5th. But we play it in this way. Now, right hand 1 octave, A major. Right hand 2 octaves, A major. Now, left hand. As mentioned in the previous videos, we are going to use the 3rd because we have 2 white keys in between the 1st and the 2nd note of the arpeggio. We use the 4th when we have just 1 white key, like in case of C, or we will discover in the minor, in case of minor arpeggios where we have just 1, but we will discuss. Now, this is the fingering that you will need. 5 for the 1st, 3 for the 2nd, 2 for the 3rd note, 1 for the root 1 octave higher. A major arpeggio, 1 octave left hand. A major 2 octaves left hand. As mentioned in the previous tutorials, what is very important to be understood is that to improve the thumb passage, for example in the ascending direction, I suggest 3 very powerful exercises. Pause on the note before the thumb passage, and you prepare the action. You see, the thumb is on the A. Pause on the note played by the thumb, and getting ready anyways with the other one in the position needed, and pause on the note straight after the thumb passage. In this case, obviously the C sharp played by the 2nd. When it comes to either descending direction or ascending of the left, the crossing over the thumb, I suggest pause on the thumb, but getting ready with the finger that will play the following note in position, in this way. See, I'm pausing on the A using the thumb, but I'm getting ready with the 3rd to play then the C sharp. Pause on the C sharp, the note straight after the thumb, also placing the following one in position, and pause on the following one indeed. These will help you empowering the action. Now hands together 1 octave. Two octaves hands together. Obviously, according to the grade that you are studying for, the length can be extended up to 4 octaves. I hope you have appreciated the tutorial. Hope you have understood everything. I keep repeating, I invite you to watch the previous ones where everything is explained in a much more detailed way. Let me know if you're studying the arpeggios, exactly this one, and if it's all clear to you. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.